making a video here. For some reason, I'm in a build-off with Brandon.
That's pretty nice.
Probably should get this one because then I know I'd whoop him. But I'm actually going to get this one, the 212cc, because I can't let Brendan beat me. There you have it, Brandon. Brand new engine for my mini bike build. Okay, here's the project bike for Brandon. I got the new engine. We're gonna paint this up and clean it all up nice, and we're gonna beat him in the build off. Oh yeah, we got her stripped down. We got the fenders off, the tank off. We've had sanded down all the little rough spots and whatnot, and Tina's got the gloves on. She's gonna do an anal exam. I mean, she's gonna wipe this whole thing down and prepare it for paint. Right, T?
Right.
Awesome.
We got the gas tank out here, and he's gonna put a coat of paint on it.
Yeah, he is.
Ooh, shiny. I like that. I don't know if you guys can see it really, but it's like shiny, silvery grayish. All right, this is just a sneak peek. It's another sneak peek of the fender. That's it. Oh, there's another one. Look at him go.
Fucking
Speed,
Brandon,
right?
you think you got something on this?
On this, look. On this. You got any words?
Yeah, I'm a professional rattle can master.
Oh, now he's got the frame. He's on a move.
Yeah, buddy.
He's doing a wheelie.
Look at that. I can paint it without even...
Onto the rest of the body.
Yeah, we did. Look at that.
Nice.
Not perfection, but good enough. Good enough to beat Brandon. Brandon, I didn't get much time to spend on it, but she's all black. Shiny, shiny. And I guess silver's the color. So I'm underway, buddy. Oh, Brandon, I haven't been telling you what I've been doing, but I sanded and painted all these rims. Oh, both these rims. I actually have this bike well underway. I just haven't been telling you. And I bought a brand new engine for it. And brand new brakes. Compliments of a buddy of mine. Ooh, and I painted all the pieces. Cleaned this all up, polished this, painted that. Although you may see one or two of Brian's fingerprints on it. It's freaking minty on these beautiful newly painted rims. And I did take the time to clean all the bolts. They're all shiny, the nuts and bolts. And I did the same thing to the axles. And I'm also not telling you that one of the tricks I do is I do lube these axles up. So I may just beat you. But I'm well underway. I may give you a sneak peek of the tank. Oh, but I did paint the gas cap. We got a brand new brake cable. We got a brand new throttle cables, throttle and hand grips. So that's awesome. And we're well underway. So Brandon, you stay tuned, you little rascal. Don't you ever. Do you know who I am? Brandon. I'm fucking Udizzy, bro. See what I'm saying? Look at that. Oh. Everything is mint. Ooh. Oh my. Brandon, just saying. This is what the whole bike looked like. Oh, you want to see it now? Ooh. 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 Not sure you can see, but I got the engine mounted. I got this pull thing turned around. They come with them sticking this way for what? And then they put a stupid sticker on wrong. Because, most of them, you pull them this way. And I loosen the nut to the throttle so the throttle goes back properly. Don't forget to do that. All brand new bolts in here to bolt the engine down. And what I found on these mini bikes and go-karts is if you don't disconnect this, every time you turn a certain way, I think it's right. If you turn right, the thing shuts off. So I always disconnect this low oil sensor once I get this situation all underway. But also what I did for this one is I put this on. This is a jack shaft, so now I just got to put the chain from this to the sprocket and we should be good to go. I do got to get a tensioner to put on this, like the other side here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I see the tensioner there. I got to get another one of those for sure. I cleaned up the bolts, I cleaned up everything, painted everything, made it look nice. Used to have some sort of license plate on it, I'm not sure. But well underway. Okay, now she's all together. Got the jack shaft, the chain all lined up. Everything's perfect. The brakes hooked up, new brake lever, new hand grips, new throttle cable, all set up, all run. So there you have the throttle cable going right into the throttle. When you turn it, boom, 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 boom. So that's all set. The brake cable and the adjusters all in there, all brand new. All brand new, looking beautiful. So Brandon, eat my shorts. Well, I'm just finishing up the tank here, and I got some decals to go onto it. I'm gonna put these decals onto it. Frickin' right we are. And that's gonna be an Air Force bike. So surprise, surprise. So here we have it. She's all in her form now. She's got a nice serene on the front, and all that's left to be done to it is gas and oil and fire it up. I didn't order a new seat yet, but I mean, I may. This one has a little bit of a tear in it, but it looks good. Looks good. I'm not sure you guys seen it, but just to let you know, the siren works too. Yeah, it does. All right, so that's my build for Brandon. Hope you like it. Well, just in case you were wondering, my build's done. It's ready to go for the Brandon show off extravaganza.
He's gonna come around this way. Look at him. It's Udizzy. Look, no home. Hurt me.
Time goes so fast, but the memories last, just to help you through the day. thinking of you and the things that you do, and all the things that you would say, helping me out while my thoughts were in doubt. You'd never let me down, my strength and